In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Elementor page as a template. This is an incredibly useful trick, especially if you find yourself creating similar layouts repeatedly on different pages or websites. Being able to save a page as a template not only saves time, but ensures consistency across your work. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the Elementor editor, where you've crafted your page design just the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, you're ready to save your creation as a template. To do this, look towards the bottom left corner of your editor screen, where you'll see the pink button labeled Publish or Update, depending on whether your page is being created for the first time or if you're updating an existing page. Go ahead and click this button. It's crucial because it ensures that your latest changes are included in the template you're about to save. Upon clicking the button, direct your attention to the small, downward arrow located right next to it. Clicking this arrow will open up a menu of save options. This little arrow is your gateway to a set of powerful tools, including the ability to save your current design. From the options presented, select Save as Template. This choice indicates to Elementor that you'd like to preserve this page's layout for future use. Once you've selected Save as Template, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll give your template a memorable name. It helps to be descriptive with your naming convention, so think about the function or design style of this page. A clear name makes it easier to recognize and retrieve your template when needed. After naming your template, confirm the save action, and voila! Your page is now saved as a template. You can access your saved templates by navigating to the Elementor library in future projects, making it a breeze to apply your saved layout. While this process is wonderfully straightforward, remember one key thing. Templates save the page layout and design but not dynamic content. This means text or images that frequently change should be updated accordingly each time you apply your template. Utilizing templates is an excellent way to maintain a cohesive design across different projects, especially if you run multiple sites or frequently build new pages. By mastering this skill, you streamline your workflow, ensuring that your design process is not only efficient but also maintains high quality. So, the next time you create a page in Elementor and are satisfied with the design, don't forget to save it as a template. This small action could be a game changer in your web design endeavors. Enjoy your newly found efficiency and the added design opportunities this feature offers.